If Tremco 45 SSL sealant is not available locally, use comparable concrete-compatible, flexible, UV-resistant products that meet joint movement and exposure needs. When choosing an alternative, first verify the joint type and expected movement range so you match the sealant elasticity and modulus. Look for a self-leveling polyurethane or hybrid polymer that bonds to clean concrete without a primer, maintains flexibility down to at least 20 degrees Fahrenheit, and resists ultraviolet breakdown for long outdoor life. Clean the joint thoroughly by removing all loose material, oil, and salts, then blow out with compressed air or a stiff brush and allow the surface to dry completely before application. For deep joints, fill the void with closed cell backer rod sized to provide the recommended sealant depth to width ratio, usually 1/2 the joint width for horizontal joints, to control adhesion and ensure proper cure profile. Apply the sealant in a continuous pour, tooling only if the product is non-self-leveling, and avoid stretching or leaving gaps. Cure time varies with temperature and humidity, so plan work to allow full cure before exposure to traffic. Test a small section for adhesion and movement compatibility if you are switching chemistries from polyurethane to a SMP or silicone-based product, because different families can behave differently under heavy cyclic movement. Common mistakes include choosing a product that is not compatible with concrete, which causes adhesion failure. So always confirm the manufacturer lists concrete or masonry as an approved substrate and perform a small adhesion test. Another frequent issue is improper joint preparation, which leads to dust or contaminant entrapment and poor bond. So mechanically remove loose material, degrease when necessary, and ensure the joint is dry before sealing. A third problem is incorrect joint geometry or backing material, which causes three-sided adhesion or excessive stress. So size the backer rod correctly, maintain the recommended depth to width ratio, and select a non-stick closed-cell backer to prevent adhesion to the bottom of the sealant. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and lists product alternative ideas for common supply issues, helping us find options when specific sealants like Tremco 45 SSL are not available. We host a discussion community so our users and contractors can ask questions, share field experience, and identify reliable local sources together.